guys, Miss Krill here. I'm just going to go ahead and do another how-to video. This one is going to be on bookmarks. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go into Google Chrome and show you kind of how to do it. So you already know that clicking a star will bookmark whatever page you're on and allow you to save it to your bookmarks bar. This is your bookmarks bar. I typically like to save things that I use daily for the bookmarks bar. But let's say there are some things that, your teachers are like, oh, you might want to bookmark this for later, or there's something, a page that you want to refer to down the road and you don't want to have to go search for it. We can create folders within our bookmarks bar. So as you can see here are my bookmarks bar. This little button shows you that I have other bookmarks on the bookmarks bar as well, but I just have so many that we can't see them all from the bookmarks bar. So I can also create other folders to put in the bookmarks bar as well. And it might be a nice idea for you guys to create folders for each class, science, social studies, whatever. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. Now, if your bookmarks bar is not shown, you need to make sure that it is. So you're going to go down here, you're going to click on these little three dots, go down here to bookmarks, and then I want you to go here where it says show bookmarks bar and click it. As you can see, there's already a check mark by mine, so we're already there. I don't need to do anything else. Now, to create the folders for your bookmarks bar, you are going to go to Bookmark Manager and click on that. It's going to open an entirely new page for you. Now, we're in bookmarks bar right now, but let's say I want to create a new folder for science. I'll just go up here, three little dots, and then add new folder, science. Save it. All right, let's say I want to create one for add new folder, social studies. Three dots, new folder, math. Three little dots, new folders, language arts. Okay. Now you can see within my bookmarks bar, I have separate folders where I can put all my websites that I need for science in here and social studies in here. Okay. Math in here, language arts. So going back to our bookmarks bar, look, now I've got all these folders in here. Now this is the bookmarks bar, but now I've got specific folders for specific subjects in here. Now, to show you how to save to this specific folder, I've pulled up a nice little science article about hurricanes. Seems really, oops, gonna sneeze. Excuse me. See, I've got this little science article, and let's say I want to save this to my science bookmark folder. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, and I can either go here to the little star, and it's going to pop this up. As you can see, it's got my let's change the name of this to Hurricanes article, okay? And I want to save it to a specific folder, not directly to my bookmarks bar. So I'm going to click on this, scroll down, put it in my science folder. Click done. Now, when you go look at your bookmarks folder, your folders, science has my hurricanes article in it. I personally think that organizing your bookmarks is super smart and it will be a lot less confusing. And you'll be able to find it super quickly. So good luck.